Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to repair a leak on your pressure washer. So this particular pressure washer is a Black & Decker. I believe it's like the PW 1700 model. Anyway, there's a leak right where you plug in the hose into the pressure hose into the pressure washer. So most likely we have an O-ring that is worn out and we need to replace that. So I'll show you how to do that. You know, I've seen it where in most cases it's not an issue with the actual hose, but just the O-ring. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're gonna unscrew the hose from the back of the power washer. Let me show you where that is. So it's right there. So we're gonna go ahead and unscrew that and then check out the O-ring. Okay, so I'm just gonna unscrew the hose. There's a leak. So the leak was down. You just see water dripping from here. Okay, so here's my O-ring, and let's take a closer look. As I see, it's completely broken, and let me just show you real quick. Okay, so here's a closer look at the connector, the hose connector, and as you can see, there's a tear on the O-ring. It's pretty much broken, so we need to replace that. So what I did was I went to Harbor Freight and they sell a kit. I bought this for another repair, so I already had my kit, and I think this is like only $4 or so, $4 or $5 at Harbor Freight, and I'm sure you can get something like this on Amazon or eBay as well. But anyway, it comes with many sizes, and it's super useful. So for this one, we're gonna use probably the P11. Now some of them are kind of mixed because I probably dropped the box somewhere, but that's the 10.8 by 2.4 millimeters. So it should be this one right here. So we're gonna use that and just pop it into the hose, and that should repair our leak. So because this particular O-ring is just kind of torn, we're just gonna take it out of the hose. So that's not useful, and we're just gonna pop in our new O-ring. And that's it. We're gonna plug it in. Let me fix the camera here. Okay, so we're gonna plug our hose back in to the connector, and then tighten up. Screw this back in there. There should be a little pressure when you push the O-ring into the connector, and then you have to tighten it. Get a good angle here. And that should do it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just post them in the comment section. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.